Hey YouTube, it's Dena, and today I'm going to give you guys a quick comparison of two new primers that I just got in the mail. I ordered them from Ulta. I've got a drugstore version and a high-end version for you guys to check out. This is the Benefit Porefessional. This is the Pearl version, which I'm really excited about because it's supposed to make your skin glow from the inside. And you know, when you say glow from the inside, that's just the words I live by. So we have this. Then I have the Milani Prime Light is the new product that I've not played with much at all. It says it's a strobing effect, but it also says that it's pore minimizing. So I thought these two would be a really good thing to compare. We have this one costs $9.99 and it is a full ounce. This is the travel version, the mini version. It was $12 and I'll explain why I did that. The full size version of this is $31 from Ulta. This is the mini version. It's a quarter of an ounce and it was $12. This is the full size version of the Milani, a full ounce for $9.99. So you get 4 times as much in the Milani version. The reason that I bought the travel size is because I have a horrible track record with primers. I've tried everything from Bare Minerals to Makeup Revolution, even the spray. I believe there's several out there that you can spritz your face and they're supposed to just prime it, and I thought, okay, maybe that's the answer, because anything else that I put that has that silicone feel on my face, I get these horrible eruptions. Actually, no, that's not what they are. They're these awful lumps under my skin, all over my chin. I don't just have regular breakouts. They're these horrible, painful lumps on my chin. And so I'm really scared to try this today, because in a few days, if you see me and I have these horrible lumps on my face, you'll know it was because I used primer for my YouTube video. But having said that, I do have my holy grail, and I know this is old school. This has been around for like 2 years at least that I know of. Nikki Tutorials was the first person that I ever saw that mentioned this. This is the Nivea Shave Balm for men. It's for like aftershave. When you have an irritated face, you put this on and it's supposed to soothe your face. I'm assuming. I don't really know, but my husband has a beard, so who knows. But anyway, this is post-shave balm is what it's called. And it has primarily glycerin in it. Glycerin is what causes your face to be a little tacky and make your makeup adhere to it and stick and stay. So this, if I use this as my primer, I'm golden. It stays, my makeup sticks to it, and I don't have any breakouts. So this is my primer that I use, but I'm not gonna use it today. I have used half of my face is with the Benefit Porefessional, the Pearl version. It just says Pearl Primer, a little stamp on there, and it's in a little pink, cute little box. I'll show ya so y'all can see. See how cute? Cute little box. Okay, so that's that one. Then we have the Milani Prime Light Primer. Okay, so this says that it is also pore minimizing, that it hydrates the skin to create a smooth canvas for makeup, hydrates and brightens lackluster skin, can be applied post foundation for additional radiance. I will tell you that I've already filmed this video once. I got halfway through and I thought I would try that out. So I squirted a little on my hand, put a little on my cheekbone here, and it pulled my foundation straight off. I had already spritzed my face with my setting spray, and I had been out and about in town, went to the studio, met with a few clients, came back, and then decided to film this video. I don't know if, I don't know what happened. I don't know if it's because everything was set and my powder was on. That's what I'm assuming. And that's not really how I was going to use this anyway. I was gonna use it as a primer underneath my makeup. So, but it does say you could do that. So you can check that out. You let me know if it works for you as a strobing cream, and maybe I'll try it again. Not when I have to go somewhere, because it did take off a chunk of my makeup. Okay, so I'll tell you that half of my face is done with the high-end, the Benefit, and the other half is with the Milani. So I'll get kind of close and see if you guys, see if we can focus. See if y'all can tell any difference. right here are my problem areas with my pores, and so it said both of them were gonna fill pores, so I think both of them have done kind of a decent job on that. I will tell you, let me open my little boxes here. I'll tell you that they are not, in my opinion, they are not a complete identical dupe, but they're awfully close. They are really close. And the reason why I say they're not the exact same thing is because the Porefessional, you'll be able to see, it has more of a pinky tone to it. And let's just go ahead and we will put that on my skin so you can see. It has a pinky tone to it. Sorry, my lighting's gonna be really hard for you to tell. Let's see if we can zoom in. A little bit of a pink. I guess that's the pearlescent part of it. And then if we blend that in, it feels like velvet to me. That feels so good. And let's come back out. We don't need to be that close to my face. And then let's put a little of the Milani on next to that. It's a little thinner. Come back in. It's a little thinner than the other was. And it doesn't feel quite as silicone based, which I will be honest, the little silicone slickiness makes me nervous because I'm not sure if that's what's causing my skin to break out or what. But this is the Milani, this is the Benefit. The Milani has a golden shimmer to it. The Benefit blended straight in, and I don't see any type of pearlescence or any kind of glow per se. So, did I just say per se? Who says per se? Okay, so when I look at it, the Milani, you'll just have to take my word for it because I'm not sure this is translating to my video. The Milani has a golden shimmer. And so when I put that on my face was honestly glowing, kind of beaming. And then the Benefit just blended in. It feels like velvet, it feels wonderful, it feels smooth. The Milani is tackier. It doesn't feel slick, like my makeup's just gonna slide over it, like it's just gonna glide over. So I would say, in my opinion, that the Milani one is more of, if you're wanting a glow underneath your foundation, try this. If you're wanting a primer to smooth out your pores and, of course, I don't know, there's, both of them are on there. I'm not gonna tell you which side yet. If you're wanting something to minimize pores, this Benefit is a good option for that. I didn't really get the glow from it, but it did smooth my pores and it feels beautiful on my face. Having said that, I have another dupe for you, which I'm sure that you probably have already heard this. This has been around forever, but it works great for me. The original Porefessional is kind of a green, mint green container. The pearly one is the pink version. And the Maybelline Baby Skin, it looks really similar to the original. It's kind of got the same coloring. I don't know how they get away with that, but it's the same formula. It's that clear, can we see? Oh, there it goes, quick. Okay, so it's the same silicone type formula, I would say, I would call that. You rub this in, there's no pearl to it, but it feels like a rose petal. I mean, I don't know how to explain that, but when I was a little girl, I would take the rose petals and just rub them between my fingers, and I loved how soft that felt. That is what this feels like on my skin, which is the same as the way the Benefit felt on my skin. It's just soft and smooth, and this is a great dupe for the Benefit Porefessional. This just doesn't have the pearl. I just really didn't notice the pearl, so there you go. Are you ready for the reveal? This side is the Benefit and this side is the Milani. So I don't notice really any glow, a whole lot of glow. I do have highlight on my nose and a little bit left, but like I said, this is kind of the end of the day for me, and everything's kind of winding down, so my makeup may not be as fresh as it was when I put it on 7 hours ago. If you see any little cracks and crevices and where it has wiped off in different places, I did try to fix this from the first video where I just wiped off a chunk of that. So that's where we are today, half and half. Low, I always want to say low end, drugstore versus the high end. And I would, in this case, I would pick the drugstore. It just kind of depends on what you're going for. And then also we've got this as an option. So if you like this video, if you like comparison videos of drugstore versus high end, then if you will subscribe to my channel, you could like this video, that would help me a lot. I'm gonna aim to try to upload on Mondays and Fridays. Who knows? That's my goal, is to upload every Monday and Wednesday. What did I just say? That's my goal, to upload every Monday and Friday. My goal is to upload every Monday and Friday. I do get crazy busy in the springtime when my senior sessions start picking up, so I will be in the studio a ton, and I'm not sure that I can keep that goal, but that is my New Year's resolution, is to try to aim for Monday and Friday. So if you're interested, then be sure to like my video and subscribe. See you next time. Bye, y'all. What is that?